Hey everyone, Tyler with Tyler Gray Models. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the new Goosky E2 1/35th scale UH-1 Yankee model Venom. This is new from Goosky and we just got it in the shop, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and then for a future video we'll do a flight video and review and talk about the flying a little bit as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. With the Goosky, with all the rest of their kits, you come with this foam box that is carrying case, has locks on it, so you can keep the aircraft in here, bring it out to the field this way. I have opened this up, but I haven't pulled anything out. I just took a quick look at it. So this is the bind and fly version, so it doesn't have the radio. It's the tail rotor. Main blades are over here, and the cool thing is they're very scale. They have that shape of the full-size Venom. It comes with a battery, 1600 milliamp 30C, 11.1 3-cell. Some tools and spare parts. Instructions, how to open the cockpit to get to the battery. Some general instructions, I'm sure. The user guide, rotor blade assembly guide. How to put the washers on in the tail rotor. Quick start guide. How to bind it. There's your blade bolts and spacers for the blades. Okay, let's dig out the aircraft. This looks good. Okay. Okay guys, there's the aircraft. It's got some pretty good detail on it. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It's decent sized. There's how the battery loads. Do the doors move? Oh, the doors do move. The cargo doors move. Oh, that's cool. A little bit of weathering on this and it would look really good. This is a great winter indoor for the season, flying in the backyard aircraft. Definitely gonna have one sitting around for myself. Well guys, that's all that comes in the box. Pretty straightforward. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Next video will be of the aircraft. We'll get it bound up and we'll get it flying. We'll see what we think. Till next time, have a great day.